warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Vanessa Sabila. Me and members would like to share about some tips for teaching scenario. For the meeting activity, we have the opening activity. The second is core activity, and the third is closing activity. So let's get started.
Theme 1. Opening activities. Orientation. Opening the lesson with greetings and inviting students to pray before starting the lessons. The second, doing as speaking so that students are excited to start learning. The third, check students' attendance in class. Perceptions, asking questions to students regarding their knowledge of the text descriptions. Motivations, the first, provide an overview to students about the benefits of learning the text descriptions text in life. The second, delivering the purpose of learning descriptions to the students. Referral, the first, inform the material and methods for implementing learning experience in accordance with learning measures. The second, informs basic competence indicator and KKM at the meeting. Core activities. Observe. Teacher says a poem about a school and asks the students to analyze what a type of poem. The second, teacher explained the term is to make a poem that describes something. Asking, students are welcome to ask questions about poetry. Explore, teacher asks students to read a poem titled A School and identify the structure and linguistic element. Associate, the teacher asks students to answer questions about the poem entitled The Little Tartar and communicate students present their answer.
So for the closing activity, first teacher should do activities to our students such as are. First, teacher and student make the conclusion together for these lessons and about this descriptive text learning material by the poetry. And the second is teacher and student are reflected on the activity maybe that have been carried out where the student make a repair such as paying attention as important thing in the material of descriptive text. The third is getting feedback from the learning process as the result. So student get good grades for the task that related to the material. Here activities such as are first giving assessment, so the teacher will give a mark about the student have done about the material or about the poetry about descriptive text. Second is follow up the activity for the next meeting. So the teacher should make the next activity to the student or the remedial. So the teacher can give assessment individually or in group related to the material. So the last is delivering the learning material for the next meeting. So here the teacher tells about what should we learn about the next meeting.
Thank you for the chance that given to me. My name is Nurani and I will explain about the core activities. And the observe, the first one, teacher saw the example of poem about describing a dog. And the second one, teacher invites the student to read a poem and ask students to observe and analyze the linguistic elements of the poem and based on the characteristic of the poem they already know. The asking from the result of student observation, student ask about the use of words in the poem. Explore the first one, the teacher asks student what kind of language is used when student write poetry in both English and Indonesian. And the second one, with the guidance and direction of the teacher, student identify the use of figurative language or figures of speech in poetry. associate, the student have to create their own poem by referring to the rules of making descriptive text. And to communicate, the students have to read their own poem in front of the class.
So, hello everyone, I'm Nindya Vidya Sita, and today I will explain about the next material is about closing activities in meeting 2. So there are some activities of teachers and students that they are have to gonna do in closing activities in the class. So the first one is teachers and students together make summarizing the conclusion of the lesson, in which draw conclusion about descriptive text learning material in the form of poetry. Second one, teachers and students reflect on the activities that have been carried out, in which students make repairs such as pay attention to important things in the material description text in the form of poetry. Third, get feedback on the learning process and results, in which students get grades from tasks related to the descriptive text in the form of poetry that they have been working on. So we move to the teachers' activities R in the class in closing activities. So first is teachers giving assessment, in which the teachers give marks to students because they have done an assignment about descriptive text in the form of poetry that has been given to students. The second one, the teachers must be planned follow-up activities in the form of remedial learning, enrichment programs, counseling, and or assignment supervises, both individual and group assignments according to students' learning outcomes, in which the teacher makes the next activity if there are students who are unable or remedial. So when students get low scores, the teachers have to make the next activity. So in which the teachers can give assignments individually or in groups relate to the descriptive text in the poetry form. And the last is the teachers in the last session in the class. Teachers delivering learning material for the next meeting, in which the teacher tells the students about what the material to be discussed for the next meeting, so students can get prepared on the next meeting. So I think that's all about the explanation from group 2. Last I say, wassalamualaikum